In this video, I will show you how to use the Pinterest Verified Merchant program. First, make sure that you meet the eligibility requirement before applying. Your Pinterest business account should be at least 3 months old and your e-commerce website should have established domain that's typically 9 to 13 months old. Next, complete your business profile by adding a clear photo or logo, filling out your About section, and making sure your store policies are available on your website. After that, connect your business asset, claim your website domain, upload or sync your product catalog, and set up Pinterest conversion tag or conversion event so Pinterest can verify your store activity. Once you have completed these requirements, sign into your Pinterest business account. Then, from the dashboard, open the Business Hub and look for Verified Merchant section at the top of the page. Click Become a Verified Merchant and select Start to submit your application for review. Pinterest will review your account and website to determine whether you meet the program requirement. You can monitor the status of your application from Business Hub, and if your application is rejected, review the feedback, make any necessary changes, and apply again when you're eligible. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.